guys, it's your librarian, Mrs. Main, and today is National Monkey Day. It's December the 14th. There are over 260 species of monkeys worldwide. So we have all sorts of different types. Monkeys are also known as simians, and they have opposable thumbs like we do. They can move their thumbs independently of their fingers, and that way they can grasp things and help them climb and help them open stuff, just like us. Okay. And by the way, you can check out more information about monkeys from the Houston Zoo's webcams. And you can also check out a lot more information from our own Kaiser Library using our PebbleGo database, our PebbleGo Next database, and the National Geographic through Gale. But if you want some physical books, we also have some great physical books in our nonfiction section about monkeys and different types of apes. We have Monkey or Ape by Susan Kornowski, the author who came last year. We have information about how to count the monkeys and about old world monkeys, apes, and monkeys and other primates, to just name a few. So if you're interested in learning more about these wonderful zoological creatures, please stop by the Kaiser Library or look in our databases. You have a wonderful day. Bye!